giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
So just finished a little tattoo right here, and Cody does a fantastic job. But I hope you guys enjoy a little bit of that ride. And I'm gonna tell you, one of the things that I've been loving a lot about my road glide is the backrest. And I know it's gonna be kind of boring. Some of you guys are expecting like like the best upgrade to the road glide or the best upgrade to a motorcycle and things like that. But I wanted to mention this before I get into it. Check it out right here. And here's my 2009 road glide. Here's the little backrest, which I paid like 60 or 70 bucks on Amazon. It did came with a little bracket, well, not little, but the bracket that goes in the inside. And then you do have some adjustments. This one specifically, you could do a couple different things. You have a pocket right here, which I never use, but you do have a pocket. And again, you can put whatever you want to put in there. You can see the pocket from back here. But again, this thing is so amazing. Let me give you a look from this side. And I know some of you guys are going to say, well, it kind of looks like an old man kind of motorcycle with the backrest and all that. But I don't care. I really don't care, because I tell you what, it provides so much support. It provides so much comfort that is, to me, it's just ridiculous not to have it. I know a lot of guys talk about this. A lot of guys talk about having a backrest and say that it's the best thing ever. And I have heard that for a million years, and I never did it. And I finally got one, and I'm going to tell you, I love it. I think it's fantastic. If you're looking to crush miles, if you're looking to go out there and ride in comfort, that's one of the things that I love doing with this motorcycle. If you're looking just to go out there and, again, crush miles, go to different places and things like that, that backrest is going to help you so much more. Here's a look from this side. Not only gives you support in the lower back, but I love stretching. A lot of times I kind of push myself back and I stretch my back a little bit. And again, it's really comfortable. And I'm going to tell you something. There is some upgrades that you do for looks. There's some upgrades that you do because they just look cool. But there's other upgrades that you do because they just bring so much comfort to a motorcycle, right? There's definitely some of them that are just straight up comfort. And just real quick, just to mention that, obviously the bars is one of those things that will help you out, ride a motorcycle better, more comfortable, especially if you have back issues. Obviously the backrest right here, and a trunk like this thing is amazing. It allows you to put a bunch of stuff in there and all that. So again, I just wanted to do a quick update here on my backrest. And I know I did a video on this a while ago, and I put it in after putting a bunch of miles, after riding my motorcycle a ton. I'm going to tell you, this is one of the best upgrades that I got in my motorcycle. Totally love it. Totally dig it. I hope you guys have a good day. We'll definitely see you in the next one. As always, God is in control.